The ocean stretches vast and endless, a silent witness to history's greatest triumphs and tragedies. Beneath its waves lie relics of human ambition, ships that once ruled the seas but now rest in eerie stillness. The ocean, a vast expanse of mystery, cradles the remnants of history's grandest ships. Imagine the Titanic, a marvel of engineering, now resting silently in the icy depths, a poignant reminder of ambition and tragedy. Or the Lusitania, sunk in a single torpedo strike, forever altering the course of history. Each wreck tells a story, like the Bismarck, a battleship that met its fate in a relentless pursuit, or the Andrea Doria, a luxury liner that collided with another vessel, leaving behind a haunting legacy. These shipwrecks are not just rusting hulks, they are time capsules, preserving the echoes of lives once lived, dreams once dreamed. As we dive into these watery graves, we uncover tales of heroism, loss, and the relentless power of the sea. The SS Edmund Fitzgerald was a titan of the Great Lakes, a freighter designed to brave the fiercest storms while transporting iron ore. But on that fateful November night in 1975, it faced a tempest like no other. Waves soared to 35 feet, and in a matter of moments, the mighty vessel vanished beneath the icy waters of Lake Superior, taking all 29 crew members with it. Theories abound. Was it a structural failure, a rogue wave, or perhaps something more sinister? The haunting lyrics of the wreck of the Edmund Fitzgerald echo the tragedy, while divers continue to explore its eerie remains, searching for clues in the depths. This maritime disaster remains one of history's greatest mysteries, a somber reminder of nature's power and the fragility of human endeavor. The SS Andrea Doria was the epitome of luxury and elegance, a grand Italian liner that symbolized the hope of post-war renewal. It was hailed as one of the safest ships ever built, until that fateful night of July 25, 1956. Thick fog enveloped the waters off Nantucket as the Andrea Doria collided with the MS Stockholm. The impact was devastating. Water surged into the starboard side, sealing the ship's fate within hours. In the chaos, 46 lives were tragically lost. Today, the wreck lies beneath the waves, a diver's paradise and a haunting graveyard of history. Artifacts continue to emerge from its depths, revealing stories of a bygone era. Shipwreck diving enthusiasts and deep-sea archaeologists are drawn to this underwater relic, piecing together the mysteries of that night and honoring the memories of those who perished. The RMS Titanic, once hailed as the unsinkable ship, was the epitome of luxury and innovation. On that fateful night of April 15, 1912, it struck an iceberg, leading to a catastrophic split and a tragic loss of over 1,500 lives. This maritime disaster shocked the world, transforming the Titanic from a symbol of human achievement into a haunting reminder of our vulnerability against nature. For decades, its wreck lay hidden in the depths of the Atlantic until Robert Ballard's groundbreaking expedition in 1985 brought it back into the light. Today, as we explore its remains, we witness a ghostly relic, slowly succumbing to the ocean's embrace, reminding us of the fragility of life and the enduring power of the sea. The Titanic is not just a shipwreck, it's a poignant chapter in our history, forever etched in our collective memory. The ocean holds secrets, vast and deep, where the past lingers beneath the waves. With cutting-edge technology, we're diving into this underwater world like never before. Imagine autonomous drones gliding through the dark, revealing shipwrecks that have rested for centuries. Each wreck tells a story of ambition, tragedy, and the relentless power of the sea. As we uncover these sunken giants, we must remember they are more than just remnants. They are sacred resting places, echoing the lives once lived. The ocean does not forget, and neither should we. Each discovery is a reminder of our connection to history, urging us to explore with reverence and curiosity. If you like our update and want to be more informed, like, subscribe, and comment for more hidden content to come.